And so I wanted Moni because Moni is a very very good technical expertise, and also he knows this business very well. So I wanted him here. And Moni, maybe you can share your screen, because I think a starting point for me, I would like to have Jerry be able to see where the new leads are coming through. We can be better at, and then also open the communication lines for getting better in the future. And so I wanted Moni because Moni is very good technical expertise, and also he knows this business very well. So I wanted him here and Moni, maybe you can share your screen, because I think a starting point for me, I would like to have Jerry be able to see where the new leads are coming through. And then Moni, while you're pulling that up, just a note, I think I shared with you, but in case I didn't, it looks like Jerry's email reminders were going to Kate, not to him.
Okay, I will change it to Jerry then.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, let's keep this simple. I got to get more leads. I'm not getting any leads. You said that there were 8 leads in the last 2 weeks. I think I got 1 or 2. There's a hole somewhere. We need to plug up that hole and figure this out.
Okay. So Moni, can you first go, for me and Jerry's sake, how many leads there are in the system and where they are?
Sure. Can you see my screen, Dr. Greenberg?
Yeah.
So I'm on high level. I'm on your account. So this is one of the lead who booked the appointment. And what I noticed when he reached out through the Facebook ad campaign, no one I was taking care. So I reached out and I booked the appointment. And as you can see, the tag is Facebook. This one came through Facebook. Yesterday, he was reaching us out. He was texting back that I can't make it 11. I want to reschedule it. So then I reached out again and asked him when would be a good time. And then he replied me back today in the morning.
All right, Monir.
Yeah.
Let's simplify this.
Mm-hmm.
I do not need you to make the appointments for me. All I need, I'll make the phone calls. All I need is for you to send me the leads.
Sure. Okay. Let me go to the calendar. Can you see the option calendar over here, Dr. Greenberg?
Yeah.
Yes. If I go to their calendar, you will get to see whoever booked the appointment on your calendar.
Okay, Monir, I don't want you booking the appointment.
No, we are not.
Let me.
They're booking by themselves.
Let me do it.
Yeah, Jerry, just to be clear on that, the system is set up to have them, if they don't need your help, they have an option to auto book for you.
All right.
But that wasn't Monier, that was the automation doing that.
All right. Let's keep it simple, Tony. Just send me the leads. I don't need you guys to book anything.
Okay.
Okay? Send me the leads. Before a month or 2 ago, you were sending me the leads by text and by email. If we could go back to that system, it would be wonderful. Do your best.
Okay.
So, Moni, for my clarification here, is that easily satisfiable without any loss? Like, will we lose too much if we take the automation out and do exactly what Jerry's asking? Will there be a loss there?
No, we can do that. We can stop the automation, and once someone reaches out through Facebook, we will send a notification to Jerry's phone and his email, and then he.
That would be wonderful. Now, how can we get these 8 leads back to me so I can follow up with them?
If you want, I can send you the list of 8 leads, or
that would be wonderful. That would be wonderful.
I can send you the email. So let me confirm the email that I have over here. Your email is.
That is correct, Monir.
And that is where you want us to send you the notification?
That would be great.
Okay. So I'm going to send you the leads that came through from a Facebook ad so far. And whoever booked appointments so far, you can check them from the calendar. All
right. Calendar. All right. That's cool.
And from now on, we will stop the automation. You will just get the notification if any lead came through from the ad campaign.
That's perfect. Thank you so much.
Okay. Anything else you want to know?
I know Jerry is wanting it this way, but if you can do me a favor, don't tell Jerry this, but do me a favor and just watch and make sure that we're not losing anything. And if we're losing anything, I want to be able to call Jerry and say, hey, man, we're losing something here. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
I'm good with that. I'm good with that.
Just I want us to have your back. I don't want to, leave you hanging in the wind to your own devices.
All right. That's a beautiful thing. Thank you.
Good.
And just to make things clear, Dr. Greenberg, so you don't want us to send them any reminder, any kind of notification. You will take
No, let me handle it.
Okay.
Let me handle it. Let's keep your life simple.
Got it.
Okay?
Okay, we'll make that happen.
Yep.
No worries.
And Moni, honest question here. If all of a sudden you were Dr. Greenberg's partner, would there be anything that you should add to this conversation? If it was your money?
No, I think it's fine.
Okay. Okay. This Moni, you're not privileged to me and Jerry's relationship, but he's like my brother, so I want you to treat this like this is your money.
Just to let you know, Dr. Greenberg, the moment you get the notification, it's better you reach them out immediately.
Dr. Greenberg.
So
you, Moni, you were saying something?
I was saying to you, the moment you get the notification, it's better you reach them out immediately. Otherwise,
I do. Believe me, I'm on top of this. Just send me the notifications. Within 5 minutes, I will reach out to them.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, Munir?
Yeah.
It was very nice to meet you.
Same here.
Tony, good to see your face too.
Yeah, see where I have the privilege of living in the background there.
Nice. Yeah. What body of water is that?
That's the Atlantic Ocean, and I'm on a bay called Rainbow Haven Bay. And it's appropriately named because we got a lot of rainbows here. The bay is like a sort of almost like a different, I want to say ecosystem, that's not the right word.
Well, you're in Canada.
Yes.
You're in Canada on the Atlantic Ocean.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
On a sandy beach.
All right. Beautiful.
Yes. I'm a very lucky man in that way.
All right. Gentlemen, it was nice to meet both of you face to face, and I'm looking forward to plenty of leads. Please give me those leads by text or email, Monier. Okay? Thank you.
Appreciate you, Moni, a lot. And Moni, I know both me and Jerry are fairly strong personalities, but I want to give you the license to smack me around at least a little bit and be firm with us to help us win. So don't let us be our own worst enemy. You have our back, please.
All right. Sounds great.
All right, guys. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Be well, guys.